We are in a holy war. This is the biblical times. So no need to run around screaming, lose your head like a chicken with no head. Trust in yourself, trust in your God. Go within. Go in within. In peace. Meditate, listen to music, spend time with the family, in prayer. But don't follow the news. Don't follow what's going on in the war. You are just wasting your time. There is big things happening at this moment. I mean, astrologically, on a big scale. We're gonna see big changes now coming in within the next couple of days, next couple of weeks. I received news that something is going to happen in this world, whether it's on the war scale or on any level in this world, about the aliens, the UFOs. I cannot specifically say what, but all I can tell you is yes, stay grounded. Please stay grounded. It is not meant for us. What is meant for us, we will know when the time comes. That's why the point of going in within, you'll know the truth. Only you carry the truth. No one else can tell you what is true. You know what is true. The government can't tell you what is true. The media can't tell you what is true. They are full of lies and propaganda. That's why I always say don't follow the news. Don't watch the news. Remember, we as a collective consciousness, all our minds, our brains, we are all connected. Why is CNN always first with the news and the weather? That's how they firstly control us and the weather. Our minds control the weather. Keep in mind how powerful we are. We don't need governments. We as a collective can make our own decisions. We know spiritually where and what we need to do and where we should go and what is good for us. And I've always said it since I was a small kid. One day we're gonna unite all over the world. It's happening now. The time is now, not later, now. The year of the horse, the fire horse, the great release. I've been mentioning it and saying it, the great release. There's a reason behind why they say the great release. It's the release of the old system. We are stepping into the new golden age. Everybody, we're gonna have a better life. We are not gonna struggle anymore. We're not going to suffer anymore. We're not going to see famine and disease. We're not going to see death. The medical system is going to upgrade. The educational system is going to upgrade. There's going to be more interest going on in the world. But before that can happen, we need to come together as a world and put our differences aside. Because there's no difference in any one of us. We bleed the same blood. We feel the same pain. We have the same feelings. Everybody is the same. We are unique souls designed by God, but we have very everything similar the same. Let go of this divide and rule. It has controlled us for thousands of years, and there is no millions and billions of years. It's only a few thousand years. Please. Love yourself. Love one another. Life is going to be good. It is good. Life is worth living. It is all worth it. I'm telling you. It has felt like it's not, and we felt like giving up. But I congratulate you all for being here, for making it this far. Now it's all systems go. We're going to make it all the way. Be strong. Have faith. Love you all. And see you soon. Please like and subscribe so that I can be easier for me to bring more content forward. You know how things work in this algorithm. Love you. Bye.